Hi, this is Vigneshwar, your K19 CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about procedures and functions. And here we have to create a tables and insert a values. So I create all tables and insert all values. So here coming to first question. So write a PL SQL statement to fix the salary of employee Anil and calculate the grade according to its value. So the condition is if the salary is less than 10,000, print the grade as A. If the salary is less than 2000, print the grade as B, and if the salary is less than 3000, print the grade as C. If the salary is less than 4000, print the grade as D. So here is the answer. So I declare a number as 10 and begin to set the salary of the company table. So where the Anil salary is less than 1000 means it will print a grade A, and less than 2000 means print a grade B, and less than 3000 means grade C, and less than 4000 means print a grade C. So that answer is grade B. And coming to second question, write a procedure to calculate a course name corresponding to the course code. So this is that one. Create or replace a procedure course number and name out as virtual variable character is begin, and here the select course name into name of the course table where the course code is equal to num, and it is not means dbms, and output and put dash course name is we have to give here name and end, and the procedure was created, and we have to declare ab virtual class character and begin, and course is 10 and ab course name and course number and id name and end, and the course name is oracle, and PL/SQL procedure successfully completed. And coming to third question, display a course name by considering the expression if the given course code is not found, then the rise and extension that course name is not available. So this is the third question answer. To create or replace a procedure course name in a number and a name as a variable character, and begin that all process the course table here. And if that expression is not correct means when no data found means it rise an application error from 401 error. We give any error, so here end, and the procedure has created we have to declare. So this is a declare character, and after declaration it's rise an application error. So this is a third question. And coming to fourth question, write a function to calculate total amount collected. So this is a fourth question. So create or replace a function as a calculate and return a number is 10 is equal to 0, and begin that function and select as a sum amount into from a fees paid table and return that a value and end and slash, and that function was created. And here we have to declare a number, so C number is 10 and begin and calculate the C, and dbms that output is put a line total sum is that number it will come and slash n, and after total sum it will come as 16 1,60,000, and the PL/SQL process is successfully completed. And coming to fifth question, display a name of inquiries for a specified advertisement code. So this is a fifth question code, and create or replace a procedure inquiry of the inquiry table and number in number and no output no out of number, and this begin, and these are the function to inquiry table, and that procedure has created, and we have to declare a number, so ab and number is 30 still, and begin inquiry of 101 and as ab that end and slash, so that inquiry number is we are seeing here the inquiry number is 11000 and 11 that procedure successfully completed. And sixth question, write a function to calculate the total fees paid by a particular student. So this is the sixth question answer. So create or replace the function as a fees and return a number, and this is a procedure to function to create it. And here declaration part is completed and the total fees is 20,000 and PLSQL procedure and successfully completed. So this is the code for the sixth question, and thank you for watching this code.